Okay, so I have been vacuuming this area rug on the regular for the past 2 days just to try and keep getting more and more dirt out. And it's not a thick pile. It's, you know, it's a thin rug, and the amount of dirt that it's pulling out is just beyond me. This is after a few passes, and yeah, I have dogs and 2 kids. So I love this vacuum. I love this vacuum. I'm gonna show you. It's a little bit loud. It's really sturdy, like it's got some weight. So if you're not very strong, it might not be a good fit for you. But the good thing is when you turn this thing on, it has like self-propel. So it kind of like pulls itself and does a lot of the work for you. It's just, it's like top heavy. And it has some attachments. So it also has bare mode floor, and obviously I have hardwood floor, so I love that feature. Or you could put the brush roll on for your carpet. The only downside is this thing has so much suction is that if it is a thick pile rug, this is almost too strong. Anything thicker than what I have, it like sucks it into the vacuum. You can't vacuum it. It will just suck it into the vacuum. So here's a demonstration. Oh, yeah, he does not like the vacuum.
It is a very amazing quality. I've always had these. One thing I can admit that compared to other vacuums, the Shark has very good suction, especially with animals. I have never had a problem. As you can see, I immediately used it as soon as it arrived. I used to have a Shark myself, but I had to switch due to damaging the motor. I thought the quality would be different. As you can see, different complete quality standards. This one's a higher grade plastic versus this one. The only downside about this, I will admit, is it does kind of have a little bit of cheek